You are now watching. Okay, so jumping right in, I'm going to be making some garlic butter. I'm pretty sure you could buy garlic and herb butter in the store, but if you want to make it, it's pretty simple. All I'm doing is taking some minced garlic here to a half a stick of butter. I'm going to add some garlic powder along with some onion powder and parsley and just mix that up, and that's basically how you make it. Really simple. For the yum yum sauce, basically I added about 2 heaping tablespoons, about 4 actually, tablespoons of mayo. I just have olive oil mayo on hand because that's what I prefer to use in my day-to-day. I have some ketchup. I added about 3 tablespoons of ketchup and a teaspoon of sriracha, a tablespoon of melted butter, and 2 teaspoons of sugar now, and like a dash of paprika. I normally don't measure anything, so a lot of it is eyeball and tasting to see if it's to my liking. I also added 2 teaspoons of water to get the consistency that I was looking for. Now I'm just going to set this aside, let everything come together, and it'll be ready once the food is done. Okay, so right now I'm going to put together a quick little teriyaki sauce to put on the food once everything is done. And for this, I'm just taking some low sodium soy sauce. I prefer the low sodium kind, but you can use whatever you have on hand or whatever your preference is, of course. Taking some garlic powder, some ginger powder, some honey, and also going to put in some water just to kind of get the consistency right for me. Then I'm going to stir all of that together and then add that to a saucepan and let it heat up a bit. And once it's heated up somewhat, I'm going to add my cornstarch mixture, which is 2 parts cornstarch, 1 part water, and this will be my thickening agent for the sauce. And then I'm going to bring that up to a nice simmer and set it to the side. All done. Pretty quick. Here are my ingredients for my hibachi at home, or some of the ingredients. I have my pre-cooked rice, some zucchini, some baby bellas, and I chopped up a large yellow onion. And over here I have some sirloin steak chopped along with some chicken breast tenderloins also chopped up into medium-sized pieces. So once my grill pan is nice and hot, I'm going to go ahead and chef up this egg right here. I want some egg in my fried rice, so I'm just going to scramble that and get it ready. Then I'm going to add my rice to the grill pan, get it nice and hot, and incorporate it with the egg. I'm also going to add my seasonings to this, which includes the garlic butter, which is not shown on camera, but I added my garlic butter. Going to add some of this soy sauce and some sesame seed oil for flavor. I love sesame seed oil. So good. You only need a little to get that really robust flavor. Now it's time to cook the veggies, so I'm going to add my zucchini, baby bellas, and onion to the grill. Once those are done, I'm going to go ahead and remove them from the grill and get everything ready for the meats. Right here, I'm adding garlic butter to the steak to get it nice and yummy. Adding garlic butter to the chicken as well, and I'm going to let everything continue to cook. I also added some soy sauce and sesame seed oil for flavor and color, and that is basically it. It is time to eat. And here is the finished plate. I drizzled some of the teriyaki sauce that I made at the beginning of the video over just about everything on the plate. And I'm adding some of that yum yum sauce to the fried rice. And this was so good, y'all. Like, bomb. And I had leftovers, and it was even better the next day. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Please leave me a comment below if you are going to try this, and a thumbs up if you enjoyed this video. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in my next one. Bye.